Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone and our beloved lecturer, Miss Rufaida Purianingtyas. So today on this opportunity, I want to present about stop animal abuse. Before that, I want to introduce ourselves. My name is Anisa Febiyanti from 3A. So, happy watching. Topic of discussion. Number 1, what is animal abuse? Number 2, background. Number 3, supporting data. Number 4, case. Number 5, basic animal rights. Number 6, legislation. Number 7, how to stop animal abuse. Number 1, what is animal abuse? Animal abuse is abuse or violence against animal. Then the habit of violence that drives someone to do this, and sometimes the animal's mistake to the detriment of human can be one of the factors why people commit animal abuse. Number 2, background. In Indonesia itself, we often find cases of animal abuse. This torture is generally carried out on wild animals, dogs and cats. Because we can find these two types of animals everywhere, torturing animals and killing them in a natural way is actually against human dignity. Therefore, all forms of animal abuse must be resisted. Being resisted because torture is against animal rights. It was 43 years ago the animal rights were declared. However, the Indonesian people have not given serious attention. Number 3, supporting data. Types of animal abuse. Dark blue is neglect, 45%. Red is hoarding, 17%. Green is fighting, 12%. Purple is shooting, 16%. And light blue, beating, 10%. And commonly abused animals, update May 2013. Dark blue is dog, 53%. Red is cat, 16%. Horse is green, 8%, and other is purple, 23%. Report by hipway.com data on cases of animal abuse that enter the Cat Lover in the World organization during 2016 and 2018 in Indonesia reached 820 cases. This is just data on cat is in one organization, somehow in another animal lover organization. Number 4, case. An example of a case in an article by Tribun Jogja 2018 explained that on September 28, 2017, a man in Kediri tortured a cat by tying his hand and letting the cat hang in resignation. The man named Bobby posted on his Facebook account saying the cat was tied up for stealing the chicken. After further investigation, it was discovered that the cat was pregnant. Bobby, who turned out to be a grade 2 junior high school student, admitted that his friend tied the cat and he only took the photo. The case of Bobby is just one example of various cases of animal abuse that have occurred in Indonesia. Number 5, basic animal rights. Every animals have 5 basic rights, namely, number 1, free from hunger and thirst. Number 2, free from inconvenience and abuse. Number 3, free from pain, injury, and disease. Number 4, free from fear and distress. Number 5, free to express natural behavior. Number 6, legislation. 1. Violation of animal rights is a crime. Article 66A, paragraph 1 of Law Norm 41 of 2014 states that everyone is prohibited from abusing and or abusing animals that result in disability and or unproductiveness. The minimum sentence is 1 month and the maximum is 6 months. Number 2. Protection of animals is also regulated in Article 302 of the Criminal Code, sentenced to a maximum imprisonment of 3 months for mistreatment of animals. If the Act cases the animals to be sick for more than a week, or disabled or suffers other serious injuries or deaths, it is punishable by a maximum imprisonment of 9 months. Number 7. How to stop animal abuse. Here are simple steps that we might be able to do. Number 1. Raise awareness that animals are also a creature of God. Torturing them internationally is a sin. Number 2. If you haven't been able to love, then at least love than ever hurt. Number 3, for some of us, animals are sometimes worthless, scary, or disgusting. But the others, some animals feel more than family. A creature that saves a person from loneliness and the lowest point in life. Respect this. Number 4, reprimand the perpetrator if he saw an incident for torture. Then let it go, especially if the perpetrator is a child. Number 5, keep an eye on the people close to us. If anyone has a tendency to torture in animals, there is no harm in checking their mental condition. Conclusion. Based on this case, we can see that knowledge about how to treat animals properly and correctly is still lacking in the community, including children. It is not uncommon for people to torture animals without them realizing that their actions are wrong and only think that what they are doing is just joking. Therefore, it is necessary to make further appeals and education about how people should treat wild animals both for adults and children. It's enough. Thank you so much for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.